Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Blazor and React.js are both used to build modern web applications, but they come from very different ecosystem. Let's talk about React.js first. React.js is a JavaScript library developed by Meta for building user interfaces. It focuses on creating fast, interactive web apps using the front end world and has a massive ecosystem of libraries and tools. Blazor, on the other hand, is a web framework developed by Microsoft. It allows developers to build web applications using C# instead of JavaScript. With Blazor, you can run code in the browser using web assemblies, or you can also run it on a server. Now let's jump into the differences and let's take a look at different features. React.js can be made in JavaScript or TypeScript. On the other hand, Blazor uses C#. React.js has a large open source ecosystem. Blazor, on the other hand, is stored in .NET, which also has a very significant ecosystem. React.js is client-side, browser-based. On the other hand, Blazor is rendered via web assemblies. React.js is very common worldwide, while Blazor is still growing and it is enterprise focused. So if you would select React.js, you would be building modern web apps and single page applications. On the other hand, you can use .NET enterprise web apps using Blazor. So React dominates the front-end market globally, while Blazor shines in the enterprise environments that rely heavily on the .NET. So the best choice depends on your tech stack. I hope this video helps you clarify the differences between React.js and Blazor, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.